How's it, guys? I decided to get myself an Apple TV box. It's a third generation one. I love this Apple TV, guys. It's 4K. The one that I got is Wi-Fi plus Ethernet. It costs 3,600 rand. There is a cheaper one for 30,000 rand. The difference there is just 600 rand. I decided to go with this one because of that. You know what? It's a small difference. Plus, it's 128 gig. The reason for this is where I moved to now. There is no DStv dish outside. I brought my DStv Ultra, hoping to connect, and I realized the neighbors here are using smart TVs. I don't have a smart TV. I'm still using a TV from 2015. It's quite old, but it's reliable. So with that, I said, you know what, let me just get one of these things so that I can also grow my Apple ecosystem there. So you get a remote, which is you can charge with a USB-C. You get a cable, a power cable. You can connect directly here, and you have to buy a HDMI cable for yourself. It's not that expensive. You can get one. When you're ordering this thing from wherever, also get a remote cover. My remote has dents, and it's just been a month of using it, so it will fall a lot. Yeah, so it's quite shiny when you get in the beginning, but in a couple of weeks it will fall and it will have a lot of dents. Yeah, so basically with this Apple TV, it's the same as any other smart TV box. I have installed YouTube in there. I have Netflix, Prime. I have also DStv Stream. With DStv Stream, it's a bit different. You just need to adjust and get used to how it works. It's not the same as the DStv decoder one, where you can press the plus button to go to another channel, and then also navigate the channel easily or dial the channels. It's not like that. And then you can't quickly record what you're watching or record a season. It's a bit tricky with this one. You can add stuff into your DStv Stream, but only certain things. You can't just decide to record any show that you are currently watching. So it just needs a bit of adjustment there to get used to it. It's quite good. I know there's cheaper versions of smart TVs that you can get. You can get the TV itself as a smart TV. You can get a Xiaomi one. It's less than 1,000 rand. But for me, I felt like, you know what, let me go with an Apple. As I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying to grow my Apple ecosystem. It's quite reliable. So I think get yourself this, drop a review, ask questions. Another great feature about this is that you can connect to your computer, you connect to your phone also on this Apple TV device. It works well with the whole Apple ecosystem.